Guys, kuningi kusamele sikulungise siyi-country. Yabona nje nina nisathi uJacinta, hayi bandla. Anibonanga lutho, anibonanga lokho. Ayithi nina nisabona sikhalela indaba yesikole. Cha, kuncane-ke lokho kukhulu okusezayo. Kukhulu okuseza. Lo nyaka awukapheli ngisho ukuphela. Asikafiki ngisho unyangeni wesibili ka-2026. Kodwa already ugovernment lokushaya ngegaxa.
You know, South Africa, there's just so much going on in this country. Now you've got a situation whereby the South African SASSA is an agency that handles the payout of the social grants to the beneficiaries. So it has now emerged that SASSA has been paying grants to foreign nationals in this country.